Can one used V8 truly outlast the others without draining your wallet?
Today's answer may surprise even lifelong performance car enthusiasts.
V8-powered vehicles are disappearing faster than many drivers ever expected. Strict emissions rules are reshaping today's performance car landscape.
Automakers now prioritize smaller engines, hybrid systems, and electric power. That makes naturally aspirated and traditional V8s increasingly desirable.
Most buyers now search the used market for authentic V8 excitement. But reliability often matters more than horsepower alone. A thrilling engine means little if expensive repairs follow quickly. Today's comparison focuses on 3 respected used V8 contenders.
German engineering enters with impressive performance and premium refinement.
Japanese engineering answers with legendary durability and disciplined precision. Each philosophy approaches power with a completely different mindset.
American muscle also influences expectations across today's performance market.
Let's begin with Germany's sophisticated luxury performance machines. German V8s often deliver breathtaking acceleration and smooth highway cruising. Advanced engineering creates remarkable driving confidence at high speeds. However, complexity can increase long-term ownership costs.
Maintenance history becomes critical before purchasing any used example. Now attention shifts toward Japan's celebrated V8 engineering philosophy.
Japanese manufacturers traditionally emphasize consistency over unnecessary complexity.
Many owners report dependable performance, lasting hundreds of thousands of miles.
Simple engineering often reduces unexpected repair frequency.
Routine maintenance usually rewards owners with impressive longevity.
That reputation didn't happen by accident. The scan confirms the injector placement is precise.
Excellent. The flow dynamics match the simulation perfectly now.
Quality control became a defining competitive advantage. Still, no used vehicle remains completely risk-free. Neglected maintenance affects every engine, regardless of origin. A thorough inspection always protects your investment. Mileage tells only part of the ownership story. Driving habits also influence long-term engine health. Short trips can create hidden mechanical wear.
Service records reveal more than shiny paint ever will.
Highway miles often prove surprisingly gentle on engines. German V8s reward drivers seeking luxury and precision. Both offer unforgettable character behind the wheel. Japanese V8s appeal to buyers chasing dependable ownership. Both offer unforgettable character behind the wheel. Choosing wisely depends on your personal priorities. Performance enthusiasts may favor sharper driving dynamics. Practical owners often value lower maintenance expenses. Neither approach is automatically right for everyone. Understanding trade-offs creates smarter purchasing decisions.
Research before buying saves money after buying.
That's the smartest strategy for any used performance vehicle.
Every great engine reflects decades of engineering ambition. Every reliable vehicle reflects responsible ownership through the years.
The best V8 isn't always the fastest one.
It's the one that earns your trust every drive.
Which used V8 would you choose and why?
Share your thoughts below, subscribe to NXG Pro, and join us for the next automotive documentary.